Welcome back to Seasonal Cultivalue, the podcast where we dive into delicious discussions about food and culture. I'm your host Maya.
And I'm Carlee. Today we're warming things up with a topic that's perfect for the chilly season: hot chocolate.
Yum yum, hot chocolate. It's such a cozy drink. It's amazing how it brings back memories of childhood, especially during winter. Carlee, what's your first memory of hot chocolate?
I think my first memory would be sitting by the fire during the holidays, sipping on a big mug of hot chocolate while watching holiday movies. Maya, what about you?
For me, it's all about those snowy days after school. My mom would make hot chocolate from scratch, adding a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. It felt like a warm hug in a mug.
That sounds delicious. Speaking of recipes, there are so many ways to make hot chocolate. Do you prefer the classic version or do you like to experiment?
I love experimenting. I once tried adding a bit of chili powder to my hot chocolate. It sounds strange, but it gave it a nice kick. What about you?
I usually stick with the classic, but I've been curious about some of those trendy flavors, like peppermint or even salted caramel. Have you tried any of those?
Yes, the peppermint hot chocolate is a game changer. It's like drinking a candy cane. But I think my all-time favorite is a rich dark chocolate version. It feels so indulgent.
That sounds amazing. You know, hot chocolate isn't just a winter drink. In some cultures, it's enjoyed year-round. In Mexico, for example, they make a version called champurrado, which is thickened with masa.
Oh, I love that. It's so rich and comforting. It's fascinating how a simple drink can have so many variations around the world.
Absolutely. And it's a great way to connect with others. Sharing a cup of hot chocolate can be a wonderful social experience. Have you ever had a hot chocolate date?
I haven't had an official hot chocolate date, but I have had cozy hangouts with friends over cups of hot chocolate. It's such a great way to bond and catch up.
I agree, and it's a perfect drink for language learners too. You can practice your conversational skills while sipping something warm and delicious.
That's true. Plus, you can learn how to order it in different languages. Un chocolat chaud, s'il vous plaît, sounds so elegant in French.
And in Spanish, you'd say, un chocolate caliente. It's fun to learn these phrases while enjoying such a comforting drink.
Definitely. So, listeners, as you prepare for the colder months, why not try making hot chocolate at home? Experiment with flavors and maybe even invite some friends over to share a cup.
Great idea. And if you have any unique hot chocolate recipes or experiences, feel free to share them below. We'd love to hear your stories.
Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you enjoyed our sweet conversation about hot chocolate. Until next time, stay warm and keep sipping.
See you later, everyone.